beloved aficionados and leaders of the morrow. It gives me immense pleasure to share a thought a day to reflect on amidst this pandemic. Time is the greatest asset and the best counselor of all. In today's world, time marches on, and we need to be in step with the marching band if we want to be in the parade. Time is the essence of our being, and when we are out of time, we cease to exist in this realm. As Dr. Hill states, life is a checkerboard and the opponent is time. It plays a vital role in our lifetime accomplishments, and hence one should be diligent in the usage of it effectively. Let us vow to use our time in the future to bring us some measure of peace of mind. It would be appreciable if we keep our mind so busy that no time will be left to devote to fear and frustrations. Allotted time on this earth plane is indefinite and limited. Hence, let's endeavor to influence our near and dear ones and inspire them to use their time wisely. When the allotment of our time have expired, let us build a monument in the hearts of our fellow men to testify that the world was made a little better because of our usage of time. So, dear friends, let's catch time by the forelock before it fleets by. Have a marvelous day. Thank you, one and all.